Alright, so hey guys, so we're just gonna run through the stuff real quick. I actually by mistake recorded something else. uh, let's start here though. So let's start with our data driven stuff. First of all, um, this is all the data that we are creating. That's our input queue. That's our specific input queue, which is running all the stuff in here for game object missile, ships, and game itself. And whenever it's running it, finding an input, it will just run all of them together. This is our output queue where we're sending it to the client or server, depending on that. Um, so I've hardcoded both of them for the being client and server for now. I'm still working on the lobby. So let me just run through this and play the game on both the screens for now. So that's connected. Alright, so this is a client, this is server, which is doing all the collisions. We're not using any physics on the server or client itself. All this stuff is being called from the server. You might seem it might be a bit slow because of the graphics card not running on my PC right now because it's on battery mode. But as you can see, both the updates are being done on both the screens. So see, after that we have reset the game. All the events are being called as per. You can see the client stuff being moving too. Chain is doing the same thing as well. It's just the missile collision has not been set up for it yet, but other than that, everything, yeah, all the ship collisions are working fine. So that's one more, and we win one more game. And this is for the last game. And just one more. Alright, and you can see the screen has been updated for both now. So all our stuff is taken care of in output queue. This is our network manager. Right now I have hard-coded that's this is a client that's running client update. Depending on what it detects, if it's a client or if it's a server, it is going to call the specific update for it. The same thing is going to run for our client server both. This input output, as we explained, all our input game related data functions are being taken care of here. That's a function, movement, rotation, fire, missile, respawn, and what kind of player it is. So that's all the function taken care of here, and we are calling them in the updates like player screen update and whatever the events being called, what are the major events that we need. The same thing is our all collisions per ship are taken care of here. If it's a server, it is going to create this output queue. Same thing for mine, missile, and the updates of the ship's position. So if the P-body is false, we are not calling any uh, box2D related functions at all. And we're not creating the body itself because it's a client, so we don't need the body. And that's our updates taken care of here, and that's been called. Same thing for missile. We are creating two separate functions. One is create and one is update. We haven't done the collision. This is where we are doing the ship's collision with missile, because the ship is actually, we have used the same ship's collision for both ship and missile in visit ship or visit missile function, and same thing for the fans itself. And as we have seen, the missile is being updated. We're not calling any function for any specific box2D functions. We're just doing a simple screen update for that itself. So that is all for this week. Actually, this is our push to network, and as I already explained, the network manager. We're just gonna run to finish up the mine and then just manage the lobby for it. All right.